Hello, hi, and welcome back, my dear friends, on my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all of you are doing fine. And my dear friends, this video is about crochet and fabric combination dresses for baby girls. And this video is going to be a lifesaver for all of you because it is going to give you a very beautiful idea how to use your leftover yarn and how to use your leftover fabric to make excellently very beautiful and stylish as well as elegant dresses for your baby princesses. So before moving further, I request you please hit like and subscribe to my channel if you are watching me for the first time, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you may get the latest update from my channel. So, my dear friends, let's talk about today's content. It is just about baby girls' dresses, baby girls' frock, or you may say baby girls' clothes, and these are so stunning, and you would be making them in a low budgeted way. So, one thing is that, my dear friends, that sometimes it happens that you are having some leftover yarn at your home and you keep thinking that what to do with that leftover yarn. Now the thing is that yarn is not enough to make something big like a blanket or anything like a cardigan, like a shawl, or like some slippers or shoes or whatever, or a baby bag, or even a bag for yourselves, or a pouch or something like that. I'm sorry. And even sometime you think that you are uh, you are trying to use that leftover yarn in a beautiful way that actually makes it so stylish. And along with that, it also happens on the other side that you are having some leftover fabric, printed or plain, at your home, and that fabric is not enough to make a complete dress of you or your baby girl. It means that something is missing and you need a bit more fabric to make the complete dress. Now your leftover yarn and your leftover fabric are going to help you to make or create a beautiful piece with combination. And this crochet and fabric combination and actually is the thing that even the very expensive and very popular designers are creating these kind of pieces, and they are selling these very expensive. And if you are having the skills to do crochet and you can design the dresses, you can stitch, you can make the things done by yourselves, then you can make these designer kind of expensive kind of dresses at your home by your own hands and without wasting some extra money, and in a very good way. And it would be so positive when you create such things, because whenever we do something with our own hands, it actually leaves a very good and a positive impression on our body as well as our mental health. So you can get so many ideas and so many designs here. One thing more, that sometimes it happen that so many of our beautiful friends ask that they do not want to do much crochet, or they are not able to do much crochet. It happens sometimes because that they are not so much expert at doing crochet, and sometimes the reason is also this, that they are busy somewhere in doing their duties, like professional duties or their household duties or something like that. They do not find some layer time to do these things. So they want to do something, they want to do crochet, they want to make or create some beautiful pieces, but they do not find enough time. So they want to create some mini things, and it happens that sometimes the mini things are of no use. Sometimes it happens, not every time, but sometimes it may be, and they want to make something really stylish and really beautiful, gorgeous in that small time and that very little time, but very excellently. So this video is also for them, because you are seeing a very beautiful and very stylish collection of baby girls dresses, that is the combination of crochet and fabric. Now see, if you have not enough time to crochet a full dress for your baby girl, you are not finding enough time to make a sweater or to do a crochet slippers for your baby girl, you are not free enough to spend your time in crocheting something like a crochet blanket for your baby girl or your baby boy or anyone else, Even if you are trying to gift someone something with your own hands, and you are not finding enough time, or you are not finding enough yarn, or you are out of pocket, and you want to utilize the things that are actually left over at your home, and you want to use the things in such a way that it creates artistic pieces, and the next person to whom you are going to gift these things is really really delighted when you gift, and these things the next person sees and feels absolutely happy and overjoyed. So this video is going to give you ideas about these things. You can see now so many dresses are in front of you and you are getting ideas. For example, this one, you can see this one is having the upper side of the dress is made of crochet, and the rest of the dress is made of printed fabric with a little flowers, and it is so beautiful that even the designers can sell these dresses in a very high rates. Look at this one, it is having a plain kind of crocheted upper side, and the rest of the dress is just plain. This is also the same. It seems that someone had this leftover fabric and then they used to crochet or knit the upper part, and this is absolutely beautiful. And even you don't need to go for so many of crochet colors, because you can take even a single color and you can use even the little amount of yarn that is at your home, and you can use it in a very good way. For example, this one, the lady who's created this, or any person who created these beautiful three dresses, actually made use of a same fabric and used it in a variety of ways and made three dresses for the baby girls. And believe me, these dresses look so stylish and so stunning that everybody is going to adore, and your baby girl would be slaying while wearing these dresses. You can see this one. This is the plain fabric that has been used by the person who made it in a simple and stylish way by doing crochet work at the upper side, and the lower side is made of fabric. This one is also a sleeveless kind and so beautiful. It's just about your skills, it's just about your the way how to design these things. And this one is made of fully made of crochet, and in a very beautiful way. It has not been added some fabric. It is fully made of crochet and of a single color, because sometimes it happens that you are having some leftover yarn and you are trying to make some dress, and that yarn is enough to make a dress for that newborn baby girl or baby boy even. So you can go for it. For the toddlers, you can see this pink one is looking so stylish, because this combination of printed fabric and plain fabric with crochet actually adds something different to these dresses, because it makes them so stylish and look so unique in a different way. You can see the baby girls wearing these dresses are actually looking so charming. Look at this one. This is a unique kind of thing that is at the neckline, and the rest is only fabric. Even I'm feeling so loved to see these beautiful outfits that I actually want to create one to gift someone, and I'm sure that if I make this and gift someone, they would be really enjoying and appreciating this, because these beautiful things are actually a sign of love and positivity. And whenever you do these things out of love for someone, they actually love this and they love to do these things in a beautiful manner. And these things, when we gift someone, when we are actually trying to exchange these beautiful gifts with one another, these are the sign of love, these are sign of positivity, these are sign of kindness. And in this world, at this time of life, at this age, at this era, we are actually in need of such things that are about love, that are about peace, that are about the positive signs, the reciprocal of love. Being a person who is actually trying to be a reciprocal of love and happiness is the only thing, and it is the true spirit of life, it is the true spirit of humanity. And one thing more, that I was reading about something, crochet benefits, and I was wondering while reading this that crochet actually leaves so many good health benefits to your personality that you can't even think of some. I was wondering, I would be sharing those benefits in the upcoming videos. And let me request to you, my friends, if you are liking this video, please hit like, and if you are here on my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the latest and beautiful collections in the future. And one thing more, that if you want to see something else and you want to see something, some other collections with anything crochet, knitted, or even with stitching ideas, or anything like in fashion, shoes, bags, and even accessories, you can let me know. I would be loving to bring those things in front of you. And just see this dress, this red one is so beautiful, having just a ribbon. The ribbon has made a beautiful and very stylish tie on this dress. It is having upper side made of crochet and the lower side is made of fabric. Again, this one is having the upper side made of crochet and the lower side is made of fabric, and this is a plain fabric without any print. This is so gorgeous and so stylish. I hope every one of you is loving this beautiful design. Is very gorgeous and has been created with a same kind of headband made of crochet, and the flower on the headband actually used with the fabric that is in the dress. And this is also a combination of a fabric and a very beautiful crochet work. All these dresses that are you seeing are so wonderful. Now it's up to you that which kind of fabric are you having. This video is actually not only telling you about how to use your leftover yarn or how to use your leftover fabric, even this is telling you about the color contrast ideas, because if you are having some leftover fabric or leftover yarn, it is so important that you make use of these in a very beautiful way and do not waste these things, because these little things add to our happiness and beauty and so many other things. So I hope you are liking it. We will meet in another video of very beautiful collections. Take care till then. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself.